Hello guys, welcome to AG Production. I am back with another 100% legit online earning tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can earn 100% free Bitcoin Cash using app. I will also show you my payment proof. This video is going to be interesting because in this video I am going to show you how you can earn some Bitcoin Cash just by spinning. This is the new and best way to claim free Bitcoin Cash. It's just like you're playing a casino game. The game is really easy to play, with great rewards every hour and additional bonuses. And every week they send Bitcoin Cash directly on the blockchain to your Bitcoin Cash wallet. There are also many other methods available that you can use to earn. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. The first method you can use to earn Bitcoin Cash is hourly bonus. In hourly bonus you need to claim Bitcoin Cash rewards with free spins on the hourly jackpot table. If you don't hit the prize you want, you can watch a short ad and get extra spins for more chances. The whole app is 100% free to use, they never ask for anything. They just simply send you Bitcoin Cash for 100% free. The second method you can use to earn Bitcoin Cash is offer wall. In offer walls you have to complete different offers and surveys to earn Bitcoin Cash. The third method you can use to earn Bitcoin Cash is bonus claim. In bonus claim you have to watch ads. Between jackpot claims, you can earn bonus Bitcoin Cash with the bonus wheel too. Simply watch a video ad and claim some extra Bitcoin Cash Satoshi. There are also many other methods available in this amazing app. Install it and explore yourself. Now let me show you my payout proof. As you can see my wallet address. And below that is my next payout detail. I have set minimum payout 5000 Satoshi. And after that below in the fourth row you can see my payout proof details. My last payout date is the 18th of May 2021. You can also see I have received 0. something and 5061 Bitcoin Cash. Now remember this date, this amount and my wallet address so I can show you my transaction proof in my wallet. In the payment history you can see all your payout history and details. Here as you can see my payment history, I have received the payout one time. In the payment threshold you can set your minimum payout or withdrawal. Because the payout is sent automatically on every week. So when you will reach your set payment threshold, that amount of payment will be sent automatically to your wallet. You can also earn Bitcoin Cash by referring others. You have to share your referral link to others, and when they will join using your referral link you will also earn 10% of everything when the user you invited earns. Now let me show you my payment proof in my wallet. I have received the payment in Trust Wallet, so let me open Trust Wallet. Okay, so as you can see the amount I have received the 0.05 in the US dollar. And below you can see the transaction I have received the amount today. Let me open it now. Okay, so now as you can see the amount, it is same as I showed you before in the earning app. You can also see the time and date. Let me show you date again. I received the amount today. So you can be sure. Now let me show you my wallet address. As you can see it is same as I showed you before in the earning app. So this is it guys. I assure you this app is 100% legit and completely free. Join now so you can also earn some Bitcoin Cash. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.